How to use all AI platform at the same time. Now, to use all AI platform at the same time, just open your search engine like this. Type in on your search bar https://chathub.gg/question var equal AI2 like this. As you can see, now click on search. Now we are in. Now click on get started for free. Now sign in using any email of your choice. As you can see here, you can see Google or Apple Store. Now use anyone you like. Here I will use Google. Now here you will see a subscription plan for it if you want to use the subscription plan, but if you don't want to use the subscription plan, just click at the side of it in order to remove the subscription plan. Inside the platform, here is where you can find the AI platforms. Here you can see it updates as soon as the new AI platform is launched. Here it will show up here. Also, here is where you can find your profile. Here in order to use this to the fullest, you must switch it to the desktop mode. If you are using smartphone like this, just click on this three dot icon if you are using Chrome, and then click on desktop mode in order to switch it to desktop mode. You can see here in desktop mode, you can see it. Here is the AIs. You can change it just by clicking here. You select the one you like, the platform you like this, and then on the other side you select another platform you like this, and then ask them anything you need, like any question you want to ask them, and they will generate it in their own AI research form. I will show you example. Just watch this example. Now here I will click on this send icon here and wait for it to generate. You see it generates in their own type and in their own type of response. You see it. Also, you can generate image by clicking on this icon down here and type in the prompt or what you want it to generate, but based on the platform you selected. You can change the grid like this by clicking this icon here to change their grid in order to use as many as you want like this. You see it. You see it. And then ask them question and watch how they respond it in their own way and in their own AI research form. You can find a link on how to access it in the description section. So you see it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more AI tool tutorial and application guide. Also, don't forget to tell me how it work on your computer or on your device at the comment section. Thank you for watching. Here, watch this video on the screen in order to know how to use this new AI video generator, or check the description section to access all.